Hi, welcome to our second lesson on web development. Today we are going to be talking about code editors. So now code editors are software that we use in writing codes. Apart from the fact that we use them to write code, there are some other advantages that they give to us. One of them which is syntax highlighting, another is error detection, and some other stuff. Code editors play a crucial role in web development, as we all know. There are different types of code editors. They are paid and they are free types, and they are free ones, sorry. So, for example, we have the most popular one, which is called Visual Studio Code. Most of your developers use this tool. We also have Sublime Text, we have Atom, and so on and so forth. But for this course, we are going to be using a different kind of code editor, which is inbuilt into Cosplay. The Cosplay web editor, the Cosplay code editor is a lightweight code editor that's built into Cosplay. So to visit it, we are just going to skip this onboarding page by pressing the skip button. And this will redirect us to the dashboard course page. So from here, you can see we have course, learn, create, profile, and code. Now type for this code button. As you can see, this is an interactive code editor that is built into Cosplay. You can try it out by, let's type something, let's say H3 and say hello. Skip that H3 and you can see we have hello here. You don't necessarily have to understand this. I'm just trying to use this to demonstrate something to you. Traditional code editors are very robust and they require high compute resources. This is a major problem that slows down our computers because our code editors are very robust, and with the functionalities built inside, they might slow down our computer, while some of these other code editors are not even free to get started with. As a beginner, you don't only need something that's free for you to use, but also something that you easily understand and you can work with very well. These are some of the problems we took into consideration before building the Cosplay code editor. Though the Cosplay code editor is a very simple code editor and allows only 3 languages, which is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.